Hi everyone, again it's me, a song Filipina, and to this video I have these nail colors again. And we're gonna change. But anyway, I still have these plain nails. Well, today I have this blue and purple, and we're going to put colors in my two nails and also here. So let's get started. Then after this one, we're going to unbox. So I have some house shoes that we're going to unbox. So first is which one I have to choose. I think you can request or you can just comment down below what nail colors you want for next video. So now I think I'm going to go with purple, light purple. So here I am. Just enjoy watching. Let's continue and enjoy watching. The color is very light. So quiet now. You just have to listen the noise outside. So many bikes passing by and cars. Warm here. There it goes, it's done. So now I'm going to do it in my nails. So, di na ta kinahanglan mo ito pagsalon kay di ka na pagsalon gahapon. So, mag-isaya na po ka muna po mag-adjust na ako. Okay. Thank you na akong kamot. Nails is nice now. Okay. So, yesterday, I went to salon and let them clean my nails. Some ingrown, removed. And now I have to do the nail colors. And I put the gel polish, transparent. So, it's very good protection for my nails. But the payment is the same even you don't put any colors in your nails. So here in the Philippines, you pay about 1,500 because 200 removal for nail polish for gel and 1,000 for the colors. That's about $25 in total. Because in the Philippines, when you go to salon, we're used of giving tips also. So they, like example, when you color for, but it depends. Like me, I used to pay 1,500 and I give tip for 200 or 150 at least. That's about $3. So now it's so beautiful. Only they mess up my right foot. Because by removing some ingrowns, we damage a little bit with my nails. But everything's good. My nails grow fast. So that's why I have to do it sometimes at home. Only it's kapoy. So mag-design ako kung ha, panagsa. Amo nila mag-adjust, kaya natagbo kong adjust sa English. Gusto ko pag-English. Here it goes. So I'm done. So 2 layers. So I'm gonna add one more layer for my nails. Okay, and just be right back. Forgot to put the moisturizer. So this is my nail colors for today. It's light purple and also here my nails. So that's all for now, and next video I'm going to unbox. Bye everyone.